Hello guys, welcome back to BSK YouTube channel. Now I'm going to say about the difference between AI project and IT project. Let's get started. AI project requires a different approach than traditional IT project in order to succeed. First and foremost, specification is completely reserved that what this means is that instead of defining rules, you you give the result as an input that will train the AI. This is turn means that you have to know the data you are working with. AI project need to be conducted predictively with the project design that support predictive project development. The whole journey is conceptual, and the end result has an enormous effect on change management. Con- Cognitive AI solutions can have major impact on business environment, and for the reason they need to be thoroughly planned. The excitement with each AI project is final result is not always known in advance, which is both challenging and rewarding in the end. AI has proved its prominence in the era of industries and aims at turning information technology systems intelligent systems that restore AI prominence in the IT sector. As information technology is all about computer, software, and data transmission systems, AI can play a vital role in this domain. And today, AI has become an identity that divides, that defines the further future technologies and their applications across various industries. So hope you guys understood. That's all for now. This is your BSK signing off. Don't forget to like the video.